Hi, this How to 1 Minute will show you how to get dual camera on Snapchat. To get dual camera on Snapchat, you have to use an iPhone because this dual camera feature is only available for iPhone or iOS users. And here's how to use the dual camera on Snapchat. Go ahead and launch your Snapchat app. And here you will find this camera icon, or you can tap on this plus icon, and here you will find dual camera. Using this feature, you can easily capture both front and back camera. So just tap on dual camera, and here, as you can see, this is my front camera and this part is my back camera. And now you can change your camera lineup by tapping on this icon. If you select this one, it will be picture in picture mode. And you can also select this vertical option from here, and you can select horizontal. And now you can easily capture yourself through the dual camera feature. So this is how we can get and use dual camera on Snapchat. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.